Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to obtain your Shopify authentication code. Protecting your Shopify account is essential in our modern digital landscape, where security risks are frequent. Shopify provides an extra safety layer through two-step authentication to keep your data protected. To begin, navigate to the Shopify homepage, which is the starting point for managing your online store. If you aren't logged in yet, click the Login button to reach your admin dashboard. You will be prompted to provide your store's URL, which follows the yours-to-rename.myshopify.com format. Enter this carefully to avoid mistakes. Then select the Continue with Email option. This method is a highly secure way to access your account. Next, pick the Google account linked to your Shopify store. This integrates your login with Google's own security protocols for better protection. Once selected, you will be taken to the main Shopify dashboard, the heart of your operations. From here, click on My Store, and then select your specific store name displayed at the top of the screen. This action brings you into the administrative backbone of your business. Now, find and click the Manage Account button. This area allows you to adjust various settings, specifically the security features we are focusing on today. Inside the Account Management menu, select Security. Shopify prioritizes account integrity, and this is where you can strengthen your defenses. Look for the option to enable two-step authentication. While there are several methods available, we are using Google's two-factor authentication today. Choose Google to proceed. This platform is reliable and familiar to most users. Before finalizing, Shopify will ask you to re-authenticate your identity as a safety precaution. Click the Re-authenticate button to confirm it is really you making these changes to the account. Finally, toggle the option to activate two-step authentication. By doing this, you add a vital layer of safety to your store. Every time you sign in, you will need a unique code from the Google Authenticator app along with your password. These codes are nearly impossible for hackers to guess, greatly lowering the chance of unauthorized access. Well done on securing your store. Even if someone gets your password, they cannot enter without the code from your Google account. Keeping your store safe protects both your business and your customers' sensitive data. Thank you for following this tutorial on setting up your authentication code. Use these steps to keep your store defended against threats. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online business. Stay safe and happy selling.